Hey guys, ClayRepairs here. Today I'll be showing you how to easily separate this drum from this hub. This is a hub and brake drum assembly off of a Dana 60 rear axle. And there's lots of videos out there that show you how to take the drum off, like how to remove the axle and take the lug nuts off and all that kind of stuff. But they never show how to separate the hub from the drum, which is one of the harder parts. I want to either machine this drum or get a new one, so we're going to need to separate this hub from the drum. The first step is removing all of the wheel studs, which if you don't have a hydraulic press is most easily done by threading on the lug nut and hitting it with a big hammer. And that's the method we're going to be using right now. First you thread on the lug nut here. After you have that done, a couple whacks with a good hammer should do it. And there we go. That one's all loose there, so we'll unthread the lug nut and then it'll drop out the bottom. We'll do the same thing for the 8 other studs. Okay, now that all the wheel studs are out, all these holes along the outside here, we're ready to take the hub off of the drum. And all you have to do is just give it a good couple whacks, or in my case, the first one I did actually just came right off. I just lifted this right off and it went really smooth. But this one doesn't seem like it'll be the same way. It's a lot more rusty than the other one because brake fluid's been leaking on it for a long time. So this one might need a couple good whacks of the hammer. And there we go. Lifts it right off and you're done. There's the hub and there's your drum. If this video helped you out, remember to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any more episodes on the F-250 Ranger project.